My project name is Training Room Equipment Management System, and my name is Khan MD Mushfiqul Islam Khan, and my passport number BY0694219. Now I will show my project interface. Here is the first interface. Here you can see Training Room Equipment Management System. Here we have two button, admin and student or client button. In this admin button, through this button admin can log in to this system, and in this student client button student can log in this uh, training room management system. After that we can see after clicking admin button, admin come to this page. Here admin have to give his id number and password, then click into this login button. After clicking the login button, admin can see this page. In this page we have four options. Admin can add equipment, admin can search member, admin can add staff, admin can delete member. After that admin can log out. In this page admin can add staff by giving staff name, staff address, mobile number, work time, gender, then submit, and all this information will be saved. He can also back to the previous page also by clicking back button, then add equipment. In this interface uh, admin can add equipment by giving equipment name, details, muscles used, delivery date and cost, and by clicking add button all this information will be add as a equipment. Then admin also can delete member by giving member name or id and click in this button, delete button, member name or this member will be deleted. Here in this page, when student login, I mean not admin option, in this first page when we see admin button and student or client button, when student uh, when student login to this system, student will see in this page. In this page student have to enter his name or id and password, then click this login button. If student have no id before, student have to create a new id. For that he have to uh, go for sign up by clicking here. When he go for sign up, he see a page like this. He have to give this information, name, gender, password, then confirm password, then click the submit button, then an id will be created. After that he can back to the login option and log in her id by giving information, id, name and password. In this option, menu option, we can see three options: membership request, equipment list, suggestion. By clicking here, student can request for membership request, and by clicking here student can ask for can see equipment list, also can see suggestions, and if his work done he can log out. Equipment list, in this page student can search equipment list here. In this page student can request for membership request by giving these informations, and submit. After that, you can see a search member. In this interface, student can search member ID by clicking this button, search button, and wish list, equipment name, comment. In this page, he can wish any equipment that management will manage for him. Then he can submit. That's all. This is the UI interface of my project that I already showed. After that, I want to show my project ER diagram. This is my project ER diagram. You can see in member we have these 5 options: contact name, member ID, phone, and gender. In member, these 5 informations are available. And in query, for in query, we need ID, equipment name, equipment cost, equipment date, equipment cost. After that, we can see equipment. In equipment, we have equipment contract, equipment ID, equipment for, equipment name, equipment date, and equipment email. Then we can see staff from Carebuy. In staff, we have staff ID, staff name, and staff contact. And we have another options from administration. I mean admin. This option is for admin panel. Only admin can access in these options. Here we have admin ID, admin name, and admin password. So I show the ER diagram of my project, and I think I properly show my project UI interface and ER diagram. That's all for today. Thank you.